Hey everybody, I've just been kind of intrigued in how the different companies and the different engineers achieve, the same thing in a different way. So one of the things that you need to get on any firearm design is you got to limit the gun from firing out of battery. And battery, it means the gun is totally locked, the bolt is locked in position, and when it fires, the chamber and the bolt will take the pressure. Firing out of battery means that the bolt is halfway open, or the locking lugs are not in, and the gun fires, and the bolt then comes flying back at a rate of knots and probably will go through your head. And different companies, different engineers find ways of preventing a gun from firing out of battery. Marlin has got a double feature. Now Winchester's also got that little divot over there, and that stops the trigger from being pulled if that's not depressed, and the lever depresses that. But another interesting bit is, should this slip off the trigger before the bolt, the action's closed or the action's locked up, Marlin achieved a different, or went about a different safety feature in this. So right in there, and this is the bolt, and that is the firing pin that's facing down. And if you look carefully, there, right over there, let's see if the light can catch it, right over there is a little leaf spring. And that leaf spring, the firing pin's in two pieces, so there's the firing pin continues in there, and this is a loose section at the back, and that little leaf spring pushes the back section out of alignment with the front section. It's actually pushing it up against the bolt. So, and this is where the locking lug goes in. So there's a lug in there, in here, that's actuated by that. Maybe we can see it. There it is there. And when you close the lever, that moves up. So when you close the lever at that position, that moves up and goes into that slot over there, which then locks the bolt. At the same time, when it gets to that position, it pushes that up. So if I can get it right, it pushes that up in alignment with the rest of the firing pin. And if the hammer then strikes it, see if I can do it. So it pushes that up, and now when the hammer strikes the back end of this, it's actually aligned with the firing pin channel, and it can transfer the energy from the hammer to this portion of the firing pin, to the front portion of the firing pin, through to the primer. So it's like just a double safe. Very interesting, and everybody's got a different way of doing it, but just interesting to see how the different engineers get to the same end result. Anyway guys, stay safe, we talk again.